Welcome back programmers in another video of AIOC Dev News. Enterprise development solution provider Perforce has acquired the AI-based mobile testing expert at 21 Labs. The acquisition will bolster Perforce's existing portfolio of solutions for the enterprise development lifecycle with powerful testing capabilities. 21 Labs self-learning AI-based mobile automation testing tools help business to deploy quality iOS and Android apps faster. Shani Soham, CEO founder of 21 Labs, said, "Together Perforce portfolio of intelligent test automation solution and 21 Labs AI-based technology will help customers solve their hardest DevOps challenge, the skill set gap, integration complexity, and lengthy test creation of maintenance cycle are a sore spot of enterprises. These are further amplified in mobile due to the different development frameworks and the fragmentation of device and operating system. Company can now achieve continuous testing in the weeks versus months or years through a self-learning and framework-agnostic intelligent test creation and maintenance platform. By joining forces with the Perforce, we will be able to see out our vision of leveraging data to make a QA more autonomous and close the feedback loop between development and production." So 21 Labs framework agnostic AI-powered testing engine is already integrated with Perfecto's intelligent test automation platform and provides a comprehensive visual analysis of results from test run on either virtual or real device. So that is it for today's guys. If you like this video, just like this video, share this video with other programmers. If you don't wanna miss latest news from AIOC Dev's news, so hit on the bell notification now. See you guys in the next video. Till then, just code.